Hi everyone, your intuition is more than just a gut feeling. It's a subtle yet powerful internal guidance system that operates in ways science is only beginning to understand. While many see intuition as a fleeting hunch, ancient wisdom and modern physics are starting to reveal a deeper truth. Your intuition might actually be responding to quantum-level signals. From the moment we are born, we're tuned into energies we can't see with the naked eye. While our senses help us navigate the physical world, our intuition connects us to something far more subtle, an unseen field of information that may exist beyond the constraints of time and space. This field is now being explored through the lens of quantum physics. Quantum mechanics has shown us that reality isn't as solid or predictable as it seems. At the subatomic level, particles behave more like waves of probability, existing in multiple states at once. This is known as superposition. What's fascinating is that these particles only take on a definite state when observed. This interaction between consciousness and matter raises profound questions about the role of the observer. This is where your intuition may come into play. When you suddenly feel a deep knowing without logical evidence, it's possible that your consciousness is interacting with quantum information, what some scientists call the quantum field. This field contains all possibilities, all outcomes, and potentially even signals from the future. Think of the quantum field as a sea of potential. Every decision you could make, every path you could walk, exists within this field. Your intuition, then, might be the mechanism through which your mind accesses the most aligned outcome, before your conscious mind can rationalize it. In a way, intuition is your personal compass through this vast quantum potential. When you're tuned into your intuition, you often feel clarity, peace, or a quiet nudge that bypasses mental chatter. Unlike fear or anxiety, which are loud and chaotic, intuition is gentle yet persistent. It's not forced, it flows. That flow might just be the vibrational alignment between your current state and the information carried within quantum signals. There are countless stories of people avoiding danger, making sudden decisions, or choosing unexpected paths that later prove to be life-changing. Many of them say, "Something just told me," or "I had a feeling." These experiences suggest that intuitive guidance may not be random. It could be your consciousness picking up on subtle energetic data embedded in the quantum fabric of reality. Some researchers in the field of quantum biology are exploring how living systems might use quantum effects, such as entanglement and tunneling, to process information. If plants and animals can harness quantum effects to navigate or make decisions, it's not unreasonable to imagine that the human brain, or perhaps consciousness itself, does the same in intuitive moments. Entanglement is a quantum phenomenon where two particles remain connected, no matter how far apart they are. Changes to one instantly affect the other. If consciousness is in any way entangled with aspects of reality outside our immediate perception, then intuitive insights could be echoes of that entanglement, a ripple received before the event unfolds in physical time. Have you ever thought of someone just before they called you? Or felt an unexplainable sense of peace before a major breakthrough? These moments may not be coincidence. They may be evidence that your intuition is perceiving information from a layer of existence where time is nonlinear and everything is interconnected. Intuition isn't always loud. Sometimes it arrives as a whisper, an image, a gentle pull. Often, we overlook it because we've been conditioned to trust logic over feeling. But when we slow down, quiet the mind, and become present, we open ourselves to receive this subtle information more clearly. Meditation, mindfulness, and solitude are powerful practices that help you attune to your intuition. These practices quiet the noise of the analytical mind and allow you to access the deeper states of awareness where quantum signals may arise. In these states, you're more likely to sense alignment, synchronicity, or inner clarity. Over time, you begin to trust these signals. You act on them more boldly. You notice how life flows more effortlessly when you follow intuitive nudges. And with each confirmation, your connection to this quantum guidance system strengthens. Your intuition doesn't rely on the past to predict the future. Unlike logic, which compares previous data to determine possible outcomes. Intuition can feel instantaneous. It's a knowing that transcends linear time, perhaps because, at the quantum level, time may not exist the way we perceive it. Some call it a sixth sense, others call it soul guidance. Regardless of the term, what remains clear is that intuition bridges your physical self and your higher awareness. This bridge may well be quantum in nature, an invisible thread weaving through your consciousness, connecting you to a broader intelligence. The more you act in alignment with your intuition, the more your reality seems to reflect that choice. You encounter opportunities, relationships, and experiences that feel serendipitous. In quantum terms, it's as if you're collapsing the most harmonious version of your reality into being. Your intuition is not magic. It's part of your natural design. As science progresses, we may come to see intuition not as irrational, but as a sophisticated, inner navigation system connected to the quantum intelligence of the universe. And perhaps, in the silence between thoughts, in the space where logic cannot reach, your intuition waits, ready to guide you, moment by moment, through the signals only your heart can truly understand. The more you honor this inner knowing, the more your life begins to reflect clarity, alignment, and peace. Intuition becomes not just a tool for decision-making, but a way of living, one that aligns with the deeper currents of reality flowing beneath the surface of things. The next time you feel a subtle nudge, a whisper from within, pause. Listen. It might just be the universe, speaking to you through the language of intuition, encoded in the very quantum fabric of existence.